Hey guys, welcome back to another Cash and Code video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make a round system in Roblox Studio. So for this video I've gone ahead and imported the CC round system folder. You guys can get this folder in the Discord server. You can also download it directly on a file and then go to workspace, insert from file, or you can get it on the Roblox marketplace and then you can insert it in the toolbox and then go to my models. Once you have the folder inserted into workspace, what you want to do is you see all these different subfolders within the main one, and we want to just take each one of these, starting with, say, replicated storage, drag it into the storage, and then ungroup it like that. And do the same thing with every single one. So I'll do the same here quickly with every single one. You can see we got some UI on the screen, and we'll do the same down here. Ungroup this one, and workspace lastly. Once you've ungrouped all of them, just go ahead and delete the main folder. So now that we have every single one, we can simply just go ahead and press play. However, since this is a round system, you're going to need one or more players, so it's going to say one or more players needed to start. Okay, so to do that when you're alone, just go to test up here. Make sure it's at local server. If you're on team test with someone else, you can just do team test and then do 2 players. You can do the more, but it's really a resource hard on your computer. It's going to be difficult for your computer to do like more than 3-4 people. So I'm loading up a server right now. You can see I get these 2 instances here, and I also have a server on my other screen, and we get some kind of error down here, but this is a Roblox script error, so this is not for the actual system for today. So as you can see, there's like a timer in the top of the screen. It might be kind of difficult to see. Go ahead and size one of them a bit up. You can see we have a timer here, 6 seconds, and we have 2 people alive. So if we just let the timer go out real quick, what's gonna do, it's gonna say we both defeat because we didn't win, of course, because there's more than one alive, and it's just gonna refresh. We also have a cache here, and if I go ahead on my player 2 and reset my character, you can see this one gets victory, this one gets defeat, and there's even like a spectating thing, which also follows the player around. I'll try to show it a bit more. If I reset here and then I run around, as you can see, the camera is following the player that is alive right now. And then you get 2 in a cache. So you can change everything. I'll show you how to change stuff real quick. So if you go inside of service service right here, you can see there's a leader stats for testing, which is just quickly set up to test. And then we have the actual round system, and then within there we have a module script, which is config. Go ahead and open that one, and then you can see all the stats in here. So you can see the minimum players is 2. Say if you wanted there to be 6 people to start the game, you'd put that to 6. Game and player count, like when does the game end? If you had maybe 10 people and you wanted 2 people to be left, then change this to 2, and then the game would end when there's 2 people alive. The length of the round in seconds. So you could do maybe like 600, which would make it 10 minutes long if it was like a longer game you had. And then you change this down here changes the leader stat stuff. So I've set it to cache because in my testing leader stats I've named myself cache here. So whatever it's in here, just go ahead and put that there that you want the value. So if it had a value that said that was experience, like EXP, go ahead and change it there, and then you can change how much you get when you win the round. So this is basically all, and then these is just like a spawn border. Once you die, you of course get back to the spawn place right here, and then you can't get back out and around. And then these red dots on the ground are just spawn points. So you could just go ahead and take these inside the folder. You could ungroup them, and then you could just place them wherever you want on the map. Actually, don't ungroup them because they have to be inside this thing, but just drag them individually. Say I wanted this one to be like over here, and then this one to be like over here. And you can also remove some of them if there's too many. If you only want like 3, you can just go ahead and remove the rest. So that is basically all for the round system. And then yeah, you guys can use this to make some sick games. I know this is used in like games like No Scope Arcade or Epic Mini Games and stuff like that. So go ahead and use this, and if you're curious on how it's made, most of the logic is within this round system right here. This is basically where all the actual round is being handled because it's on the server, and then we have some UI stuff and stuff in here on the client, of course. So go ahead and read those 2 scripts if you're curious for more. But if not, then I think that's everything I got for this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.